Okay, so here we are having a monthly chart. And these are my levels. You don't need to have too much levels. So that's why I try to make the charts as much as clear as possible. So there's a previous month high price is drawing towards, and I do think that that high is gonna be the next round. Looking at the weekly time frame, now I'm having let's stretch this out. So my connection is kind of slow, but you can see the weekly fair value gap is here. We're just around the rejection block. So rejecting from there was the next round liquidity. We delivered a rebalance concept here. So around that area, I do think so. Well, let me remove this level because this is of no use right now. Price is too far from that level. Yeah, no, this is no. Okay. So now the chart is more clear. We do not to have unnecessary. These are relatively equalized. So the next round liquidity is gonna be there. I do think so. We're having down candles in here and then a long wick. So what we will do, we'll look at the 50% of the consequent encroachment of this wick. The price does comes towards this one, then that area will provide some kind of support. Other than that, I'm focusing on this wick. Also, this wick is just around this Beverly gap, which is about to form, or I don't know if it will form. But 50% of this wick, let me mark that level, and let me remove this volume balance. This volume balance just to show how beautiful price respecting candles are closing above that. Okay, so now we are going to mark the consequent encroachment and how we will do that. And this is the high end, this is the low, and this is not 100% accurate. Let me have this level for the blue. And now let me write consequent encroachment daily. Let's stretch this out on the right side, and here we are. And nothing else. I'm just thinking, well, let me tell you another thing. This high is being taken out. Where's the high? 102.843. Where's the close? Okay, let me 102.843 is the high. Close comes in at 853, and this is 843. So this high is above that. So I do think price is trending, but I'm focusing on This is not a good displacement, not a clear displacement, and also this is Monday, so I do think that price will come towards this sell side first, and it will attack the buy side. This is just my assumption, not an advice. However, we can see from this low to that high, we're having a range. From that range, this is a volatile liquidity, the rebalance concept, 120 minutes, nothing changes, 60 minutes, down candles, up move, down candles. So we'll see if price is having tendency to come around this order block because this is an proportion block too. So I don't think the next round liquidity is going to be in this area. No, nothing will be under low time. It's just kind of you where you want to enter. This where the gap is salient. This is what it is for the DXY. Now let's switch to euro. Well, why euro? Let's see dollar. I mean the gold. Removing the CBDR. Monthly time frame is here. This is how I had marked up my levels. Monthly in the gold. Nothing here. What we are seeing, looking at. However, we are having this low, which can be taken out. Other than that, there's nothing to discuss about the monthly. In the weekly, we are having a lot of levels. We are having the inversion favorable gap here, weekly inversion favorable gap. We have another inversion favorable gap, which was straight through, comes back at this resistance, straight down. There's the previous monthly low. That's gonna be next round liquidity, I think so. This is weekly premium favorable gap and that level. And so next, well, let me see one more time, monthly time frame. Okay, so price is going nowhere, it's just consolidating. So now the daily time frame comes in. Here comes the daily. There was not any kind of displacement here. So I do think that we have taken out, I mean, reached in the, what we say, this rejection block. And from here, today is Monday, so you're gonna see today kind of like, what we say, Instead asking for the upside, but looking at the chart, it's hard to say something right now. And again, let me look at the dollar index chart because you need to see the charts on a comparative basis. Okay, so this candle's low comes in at 1912.245, 1912.245. So there was no displacement, so the next candle I'm expecting is an up candle. We have taken out this low, but not on a displacement basis. This just looks like a liquidity sweep. So next round liquidity will be this high, because if it was really displacement, price should have to through that out. So this I've made this one, so I think this high can also be taken out. But let me see. Now this is a down candle. This is up move. Price is displaced toward that. It's just look indecisiveness to me right now, and I don't have any bias right now. I don't know which side it's gonna go, but I'm favoring the buy side. That's my point. What I'm trying to do. I am favoring the buy side, and I do think this high will be cleared, and I think today only, because that's too much high range. Now let me have position to the CPR. Okay, 15-minute chart. Let's go for the intraday perspective. So notice what we are doing here. 5-minute time, gold chart. I'm interested to buy around this levels, but as this is not a high probability. just my assumption. So this is just gonna be kind of paper trade or demo trade, or just tape reading. You can say that. Uh, yeah, let's see. If we place our use the concept of encroachment will be around here. This is gonna be our stop loss. Okay, so it looks like it's too much less stop loss. Suppose we have taken out the trade, so first TP will be around here, not in the consequent encroachment up to here because about that we are on this. So around 75% of this gap, I'm placing that. And now let's see does it works or not because my buy side liquidity is upside. Well, this place is not activated right now, so I'm lowering that stop again. But to be frank, it has already done what it is because we also have closed this gap. So I do think the price is not gonna come down because we delivered repair. I mean, what to say is BPR level. Yeah. So BPR level has been closed and now price is hovering there. Suppose we have taken out the trade. This one, okay, and let's enter right now. Suppose we have entered right here. Okay, just now we have executed the trade. Okay, so this is what it is for the dollar. I mean the gold. Now let's switch into the 1 hour time frame to look where are the liquidity and remember this trade. Okay, we will watch that later. This is not real trade. I mean, this is not high probability trade. This is just my expectation because we are having the buy side liquidity, and I do think, to be frank, this high will be taken out. And let's just watch that. Now, euro USD. What did I say? Euro USD. Okay, continuous down candles, down candles. So this is not a proportion block because it has closed below the 50% of the candle. So this is not an indication. I mean, proportion block. Now we are having down candle, up move. This looks like in a consolidation where we are right now. Let's go into the lower time frame. We are around the what we say is mm, BPR level, not the BPR. What's that? It stands for inversion. Yeah. So this is inversion fair value gap. Right now we're trading around that. Yesterday, previous week we have traded inside like an IFI entry for the weekly candle, weekly fair value gap tapped in IFI trade down. It's clean 90% previous month's low. Hmm. Order block, tapped in the order block. Reduce the order block, trade down, down, down again. Now next round liquidity in this candle. Um, it's hard for me right now. I'm neutral for this day. I don't know. I don't see anything here. Let's see on this time frame. Um, I'm still not convinced for the sell side right now. I do think that this way, because the dollar is going to trade lower, this is gonna be trade higher. I do think the level which will be suitable for the retracement is gonna be around. Let's see. Mm, this sort of the this way will gap again. This was for the euro. Let's discuss shortly what's doing here in the Asian range. See, taking out the Asian range low. At this time, what Euro USD, JP USD is doing, it has not taken out the that shows an S&P divergence. What that shows, that shows an S&P divergence. Anyway, you know what does S&P divergence means. Now coming back to the monthly, and it's really gonna be a quick. Upper side we have the indication. The fair value gap, the monthly down candle, order block, all the levels. So side we are having this old low, then down candles order block, mm, fair value gap, we inside the fair value gap, tap in the daily fair value gap, rejected as in weekly order block, trade down, there was no displacement here. So this shows indecisiveness. However, we are having downside directly 1 hour time frame. Um, Nothing clear in here. I'm waiting for more information. Yeah, so I said nothing clear here. I'm just waiting for more information. Let's just see what happens again on a closing basis. Oh, okay. So this was a trade. I told you, if just for the demo purpose. This is a kind of trade looking at price to support this area. Okay, it has not supported the trade. Our idea is violated. So now it's just consolidating. We don't have bias right now. It's better to stay neutral in the 1 hour. You can see what's happening. But again, let me switch to the 15-minute again. For one last time, let's see this. And then I will be closing. We are having this favorable gap. Okay, this is IFRS. So we will see if that supports the price or not. 15 minutes is not clear. Okay, so this is what it is for the today, and I will come back tomorrow again with the same data analysis. Again, wish you good luck.